you so much for joining me today. This is your girl, the official Tiffany Rose. Thank you so much again for joining me today. And I have something really special for you today. So it has been a while since I posted any product reviews. So I actually want to give you the backstory of what I'm going to be reviewing today. Note there is going to be a part 1 and there's going to be a part 2. And then also there will be a probably like a few months reviews so that I can tell you how the product is still going. So I am preparing myself to go visit my husband in Nigeria. So I was thinking, okay, well, you know, I want to get him like an iPad. Also, I want to get him a laptop, a MacBook as well. So I was like, I do not want to pay full price, A. B, I do not want to pay full price. C, buying things on Marketplace is great on Facebook Marketplace. You just have to make sure that the person has deleted everything off of the iPad, the Find My iCloud, and took the Apple ID off of it, because if not, you're not going to be able to use it. It's useless. So some people do be selling used stuff on there. I will say I just Googled like, okay, iPad, mini Air, and also the MacBook. And I found some really, really reasonable stuff on this place called Back Market. So what I did, I was like, let me check them out. So I looked and to see if there was any YouTubes out there. There are some on there where people have purchased products from their website, anywhere from Apple products to non-Apple products. So there's so many different things at a reasonable price. Now, keep in mind, some of these products are a lot older, right? There are older to newer. I actually had bought a bigger iPad because my husband had an iPad, but someone never really returned it to him after he paid them to fix the screen. So he had an iPad mini, he had a bigger iPad. So I actually had found something on Facebook where it was an iPad, and on the iPad it was, I believe it was a generation 2, so it was like an older iPad. Now Apple has it where literally you can't download any new apps on older products because they want you to update your product. They want you to update your iPad, your iPhone, whatever it is that you have. I don't think that it really happens so much with the laptop so much because there's such a big investment, but they do it with the iPhones and iPad. So I bought it for him for like, it was a 16 gigabyte for, I want to say I paid about $40 or $50, which is not too bad. But of course, without doing my research, I realized that, you know what, I forgot that this iPad is so much slower than the newer iPads, like the mini iPads. It doesn't have the dual processor. So, when I got it home, everything was all good. It's just, it was slow. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't know is that with the Apple products, I have a iPad mini and it's set up with my Apple ID for my phone. So I have it set up, anything that I download on my iPhone will update on my iPad and it will be the newer version. So that is a way to work around if you have an older Apple product and you're wanting to download newer apps on it. So I know a lot of YouTubers were saying, and also on Google saying, I can't download YouTube, it won't work. Well, if you download it on your iPhone, have it connected to your iPad, then at that point, it'll automatically download the newer version for you. So I hope that hint worked really good for you. So I decided to, after me and my husband started talking a little bit more, we decided to go ahead and give that bigger iPad to my in-laws as a gift. Of course, when you go to countries to visit people's family, or just even like when we go out of the country and we visit, we bring souvenirs back. So it's the same thing when I go visit my husband's family, I just bring them little things, whether it be clothes or yada, yada. But that's another video for you guys. But like I said, I started going online, trying to see what I could find to find a iPad for him. And I wanted to have a peace of mind of purchasing something through a company. So if anything happens, I could just reach out to them. So found Back Market, and under Back Market, I found a iPad mini. I told my husband, look, I know you want the bigger iPad. However, the mini has a dual processor. It's going to be faster. And you'll be able to do AirDrop. That was another big thing. I forgot that the iPad, the bigger iPad, I believe it's, like I said, the generation 2 or 1. I can't remember exactly which one it is. I'll put the details below. But that one doesn't have AirDrop on it. I was trying to AirDrop things for my phone because I wanted to have him to have some access to some of the books that I had or some pictures or whatever it is. And I was like, I gotta buy him another one. So it just kind of worked out. But I am doing a unboxing for you guys. I wanted you to be able to see the products that I actually got. So since I have been talking about the iPad, I'm gonna go ahead and start with that review first. It did come in the mail today, so I am so excited to show you guys. So I got this one for, I want to say like $48. Can't remember. I'll make sure that I put it down below exactly how much I have, and actually maybe on my receipt here as well. So I got it in the mail today. So this is the box that it came in. And this actually got shipped through FedEx. Nice thing that I liked about Back Market is that they offer free shipping. That's amazing. Most of these places make you charge for shipping. So the laptop actually, or the MacBook Air, came through UPS. This one did come through FedEx. So what I'm gonna do, it does have like all the details here. It says it is, now keep in mind this is a refurbished. So it's a refurbished iPad mini black, 16 gigabyte. And I believe that it does come with the charger and everything in here. And it does have the IMEI, or the MEID or MEID on here. It says the part number, the serial number, what the order number is. So it has all of that information on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it here for you guys. All right, you guys, so I wanted to show you on the app how much I paid for this iPad mini. It is the iPad mini 2012, 16 gigabytes, and I only paid $41 for a fare. Also, here's the MacBook info as well. Okay, so I am back. I actually had to get something to loosen the tape here. It does have tamper resistant tape there, which is really awesome. So this is the box that it came in. And I don't think that there should be any other tape on here. Let's try to get this puppy open. Oh, so I'm gonna open it just like this, like a pizza box. So that is what it looks like on the inside. It does have some cushion in there, and it does come with the USB or the lightning cord. And then also it has the part that you put in the wall. Now this does say it's a quick charger. And these two are not the authentic cords that came with the iPad. I had got the iPad mini years ago. I think it was like the first iPad mini that came out. I think I got it probably in 2013, but it had been out for at least a year. I got it free. Here in Florida, we used to have Frontier down here in the Tampa Bay area. And so with having not Frontier, Verizon. And so we used to have Verizon for our internet services. And so they were connected with the Verizon wireless. And so I got a promotion where I got the iPad free. But anyways, that's not what we're talking about. But this is not the authentic cord, but it does say that it is a quick wall charger. So that's pretty good. I have plenty of iPhone cables, authentic ones from previous phones that I've actually had. So I'll give him this in addition to the ones that I actually have as well. Now, in the box, it does have a thank you letter here. It just says, thank you for purchasing this product. If you enjoyed your buying experience, please give us a 5-star review on your recent order. And then it says, blah, 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 fixing, troubleshooting issues. Basically, no power, does not hold on charge. It just give you like some simple troubleshooting steps on here. And then on the back, it does say how to set up your Apple device. When they printed it, for some reason, it's kind of like double printed. I think you can kind of see it, just kind of, it's kind of blurry there. It's kind of like if you had glasses and then, you had your contacts in as well, and then it's kind of blurry. It's kind of like one of those situations, but it just has the steps. So I kind of already know I have Apple everything. I have an Apple TV, iPad, MacBook Air, and I have it all, so I know how to set it up. But it's pretty cool that it did come with a nice little case here. So it is a leather case, well, a pleather, or would you say vegan? It's probably not vegan leather, but it tells you like, hey, this is what it fits for. So it came with it. So I guess whoever donated this probably gave it to them. So I'll be sanitizing this. But over here, we do have the iPad mini, and so here we have the headset jack. This is the power button. Then you have the switch here to put it on silent, volume up and down, and the charging port and the speakers are down here. So that's what it looks like. First looking off at it, it's really not that bad. I mean, this is a really great, in really great conditions. Like I said, I will confirm the actual pricing on this. The nice thing that I also liked about Back Market is that it does have a 1 year warranty on it. So it's a 1 year mechanical warranty. And so it tells you warranty is voided if you remove this. So you want to make sure that you keep this on there until that 1 year is up. When that 1 year is up, you can't get it fixed. So I do plan on keeping it on there, but I am going to go ahead and turn it on here and wait for everything to load up. And so I'm so excited about this, you guys. So what I'm gonna do, just because in Nigeria, you have to pay for data. Data is not unlimited like how it is here in the States. Now they do have unlimited data, but it's not the same as it is here. So you got to pay big bucks if you want really good data. So I do have my husband's login information for his Apple ID. I'll go ahead and load everything on here, get the Netflix set up on here, get apps downloaded on there as well, so that we don't have to use as much data when we're over there. But overall, I see that it's a great product. It did come pretty charged. It's at right now, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it was at 94% charged. Right out of the box. It does say hello, hola, which is nice. So that means that everything has been wiped out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up for him and get it set up to my Wi-Fi, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I went ahead and got my husband's iPad set up. I did have to call him because Apple is very secure. They want to make sure that when you're logging into someone's Apple ID, that it's recognizing your other Apple products. So I had to call him and get the code. So I got him all set up. You guys, it is so nice. I'm so excited to have my husband another iPad. And everything works very well on here. But yeah, I plan on getting the Netflix. I plan on getting just different things downloaded on here. So for him, but I played around with a few things. Everything's working good so far. I will say that when I got it, it was at 94%. Now it's at 91%. So we'll see how the battery life is. I'll definitely make sure that I leave some feedback. Give me just maybe a month or even 2. When I go visit him in Nigeria, I'll see how everything is working over there. But I also wanted to show you, and I'll show you the link that I have below. But this is the case I got off of Amazon that I purchased for him, not knowing that it was going to come with one. But I absolutely love this one. I've had it for my iPad. You just roll it up, and it makes it nice when you want to watch something. You can just do it that way, or however you're wanting to stand it up. But it does have the cutouts there for, the charging ports, the camera, and everything. But when you close it, it is magnetic. I'll actually put it on here for you. so that you guys can see like literally how easy it is to put the iPad in there. But yeah, so literally, you heard it just make that noise. It locked the iPad. And so of course, if you put a passcode on there, nobody will be able to get into it really quickly. So yeah, so it's really, really nice. I'm so excited to have this for you. But yes, if you're looking for something on a really good buy, Apple products, especially if it's like your first product, or you're not wanting to spend that much, or you're on a budget, whatever, I would definitely recommend the Marketplace. I did buy this, I want to say Thursday of last week, and today is Tuesday. So they shipped it out pretty quickly. And so I'm just so excited. It might have even been Friday or Saturday. Who knows exactly when I purchased it? I'll make sure I put the information down below. But thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure that you join me on the next video, which is going to be the part 2. I'm going to actually open up the MacBook Air that I actually got from my husband. But like I said, I'll put all the details below. If you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, and come back for more videos. Thank you so much for joining. Bye.